everyone. This session we're going to upload the Oceanit content notebook. So from the Blue Cloud webpage, we're going to the marine environmental indicators. Then we open the Oceanit content here. We open the README file and we follow this instruction. So now we'll copy this line, then I go back and I open a Jupyter Lab session. I open a terminal here. I create a directory where to put my Oceanit contents notebook. I enter this new directory, then I copy the line, I unzip my file. Now let's see, in the new folder we have the notebook, and then we are ready to run and play with the notebook of the Oceanit content.